Assalamu alaikum. Today our lesson topic is Nash'atul Maktabat fil Asr al-Islami. We can see that there are some people they are reading. They are reading in a place. This must be a library. So our topic is related to the library. What does it mean? Nash'atul Maktabat means the establishment of the libraries. Fil Asr al-Islami during the Islamic period. Nash'atun means establishment or building. Maktab is the singular. Maktabat is plural. Fil Asr. Asr means period, era. E-R-A, era. Right? And Islami, fil Asr al-Islami, Islamic period. So in this lesson, we are going to know the history of library in Arabic language. So if you watch these videos carefully, if you watch these videos again and again, I believe you will be able to understand Arabic reading very comfortably because through these lessons I try to explain Arabic lessons in a simple manner so that you can understand. So let's read the lesson today. Okay, first paragraph. كانت الكتب قبل اختراع الطباعة غالية الثمن. كانت الكتب. كتب means books. Singular kitab, plural is kutub. The books were. كانت means were. W-E-R-E. The books were. What these books were? The books were غالية الثمن, expensive thing, expensive product. So the books were expensive product. Okay. When قبل, before. اختراع الطباعة. اختراع means invention. I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. طباعة means printing machine or printing. So the books were expensive thing before the invention of the printing machine. Okay. لا يقتنيها إلا الأغنياء. No one could afford. No one could afford. لا يقتنيها. That. Ha means the books. So no one could afford that. إلا except الأغنياء. Except the rich people. That means the books were so expensive that no one could afford the books at that time except the rich, except the people, those who were rich. اقتنى يقتني اجتنب يجتنب من باب التفعيل. أغنياء, this is the plural form of غني, which is rich. لأنها, because that was. Ha means that, the books. لأن means because. Uh, that was. كانت was. Or the books were مخطوطات, the books were written. مخطوطات means these books were written. مرتفعة التكاليف, with so much expenses, with a lot of money. Why the books were expensive? The books were expensive because كانت. لأنها كانت, these were written. مخطوطات means written. The books were written with so much expenses or with high expenses. مرتفع means high. Takalif means expenses. Did you understand? Or it was high costly. It was quite costlier to write a book. That's why no one could afford it except the rich people. Rich people. ولذلك, for that, قام القادرون من محبي العلم. Al-Qadirun means the capable, the people, those who are capable. Min muhibbi al-ilm, from the knowledge lovers. From the knowledge lovers, muhibbi, muhibbun means what? Person who loves. Muhibbin, it was actually muhibbin. Do you understand? Lovers, the plural form. Muhibbil ilm means knowledge lovers. So knowledge lovers who could afford, qadirun means those who could afford, qadir means capable, those who capable to afford from the knowledge lovers, they used to what? Qama. They used to qama here. They used to establish bi insha'il maktabat. They used to establish what? Libraries. Insha means establishing or building. So those who were knowledge lovers and those who were capable, they used to establish libraries. يجمعون فيها الكتب, and they used to gather فيها in the libraries الكتب, books. They used to gather books. They used to store books in the library. ويفتحون, and they used to open uh, أبوابها, their doors للراغبين, for the avid reader. راغبين في القراءة means interested reader or avid reader. A-V-I-D-E, sorry, A-V-I-D, والبحث, and for the research. That means they used to keep the door open of the library. ويفتحون أبوابها, ha means the libraries, maktabat. So they used to keep the door open for the interested people, those who love to read and love to research. Okay, راغبين means the interested, fil qira'a, interested reader and interested in research. How kind they were. And then وكانت هذه المكتبات, these libraries were تؤدي, used to offer ما تؤديه, what. I'm giving you, or I'm telling you the meaning this later. Wait. So I'm reading from the beginning again, from the beginning of the sentence. وكانت هذه المكتبات, these libraries used to offer, تؤدي means used to offer or used to serve, ما, what. معاهد العلم والجامعات, the institutions, the knowledge institutions or education institutions and universities في الوقت الحاضر, in this current period. Serve. تؤدي means serve. Here now we are going to see the meaning. That means these libraries, those libraries used to serve or offer the way our institutions current time and universities offer. Okay, the things that we get, we receive from our institutions and from the universities these days, people before used to receive that kind of knowledge from those libraries. Okay, so the libraries during that period, okay, and ma'ahidul ilm, institutions in this period, jamiat in this period, they are quite similar. Okay, they offer the same thing, they do have the same appeal, they do have the same importance. That's what writer is saying. وقد اهتم المسلمون, the Muslims emphasized, gave importance to establish al-maktabat, to establish libraries, al-amma, public libraries, التي, that, كانت تعد, that were considered or that were established لاستقبال الجماهير, to receive or to welcome general people, general public, normal people, public. Do you understand? So Muslims established many maktabat amma, public library, to attract or to receive general people to read in it or to read in them, in the libraries. وكان البناء مزودا, and the building or the establishment were arranged. How it was established? كان البناء means the establishment was arranged. It was established, it was arranged in such a way. How? بحجرات متعددة, it had multiple rooms. Okay, during that period, like our current time, libraries had many rooms. Libraries had several rooms, multiple rooms. حجرات, حجراتun means one room, حجرات means many room, متعددة means several. تربط بينها أروقة واسعة. Okay, tarbitu bainaha, and these rooms were connected. Tarbit means what? Connected. Bainaha, among them, among the rooms. Wait. Okay. Tarbitu bainaha. Bainaha means among the hujurat. Hujurat. Arwiqa wasi'ah. Wasi'ah means expanded, large. Arwiqa means curtain. Curtain. Right. So these rooms, بحجرات متعددة, these rooms were connected among them with curtain wasi'a, with big curtain. Wasi'a means big, large curtain. What is curtain? Curtain. It has actually a few meanings. One meaning is curtain. Curtain is something like a piece of cloth that we use in our window to prevent sunlight. So arwiqa means curtain, and it has another meanings. Arwiqa means big hall room. So here we would like to take the meaning of curtain. That means in those libraries, the rooms, the big rooms were connected with curtain. Okay, it had many curtains in it to separate all the rooms. Okay. وكانت الرفوف, uh, the shelves. Okay, rufun or rufun. Rufun means shelf. Selve, right? Shelves, Selves. So the shelves were established. تثبت, ثبت يثبت means the shelves were established, or the shelves were built. Okay, تثبت where بجوار الجدران, by the wall. Okay, jiwar means by the or next to or beside. Judaran is the plural form of jidar. So there were plenty of shelves there in those libraries, and those shelves were established or built by the wall لتوضع, to keep the books, kutub fiha, there in that or in those shelves. Okay, so here we can see roof or shelves. Can you see uh, these are shelves. These are shelves. These shelves were built what? Built by the wall. And later we are going to finish very soon. وكانت هناك أروقة للاطلاع, and there were أروقة. Here the word أروقة came again. Here we want to take the meaning which is hall room. Okay, big room, large room. So there were many hall rooms for what? Lil ittila, for research. Okay, for innovation, for exploration. And there were some other arwiqa means hall room, ukhra, other hall rooms, للنسخ, for copy pasting. وبعضها, and there were some other. بعضها means some of them were للحلقات الدراسة, for little group study. Okay, so in those libraries people had many options to do. They used to research, they used to copy paste, they used to study. وشملت بعض المكتبات, and there were some other libraries they used to incorporate it. شملت means incorporated. كذلك, as well as حجرات, rooms للموسيقي, for music. ويذهب إليها, people used to go there. مطالعون means the readers, the students used to go there, used to go to those rooms, those music rooms, for للترفيه, for entertainment. وتجديد النشاط, to energize themselves. Okay, to make them enthusiastic, to make them active. Okay, to revive their energy, to replenish their energy. Okay, وكانت جميع الحجرات, and all the rooms were مؤثثة, decorated, well decorated. All the rooms were well decorated. مؤثثة تأثيثا means well decorated. فخما, big, large. مريحا means comfortable. So all the rooms, all the hall rooms in those libraries were big, comfortable, and well decorated, nicely decorated. وقد فرشت الأرض, and the floors were covered with carpet. بالبسط, بسط means what? Carpet. So The floors of the libraries were covered with carpet. Furishat means covered.